Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Shishi. Welcome back to my another content. In this content, I'm gonna be sharing with you a new topic. The topic name is how to speak English fluently in just 30 days. A step-by-step guide. So don't avoid this content, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us and me. So this is time for let's begin. Oh my goodness, can you imagine this? Right now, in all over the world, English is the highest popular language. That's why it's too much demanding language. That's why this language is too much crucial for our daily life on all over the world. So you don't ignore this language. That's why you will be failure in your long journey career. So don't waste your time about this speaking English. Now I'm showing with you exactly how to you learn 13 days in speaking English. Oh my goodness, can you imagine this? How beautiful language in this English, like alphabet, 26 alphabet has in this language journey. If you want this kind of method, that time you will be able to speak in English with very fluently. Can you imagine this? Oh my goodness, I want to full version with typing speed. Now I'm showing with you what you will learn in this video. Number one is how to improve your English speaking. Skill fast and start speaking completely. Daily routines and exercise to practice English without fears or without any kind of stress. Number three is common mistakes beginner making English speaking and how to fix them easily. Tips to think in English naturally and stop translating in your head, and powerful technique and exercise for your fluency, pronunciation and confidence. Can you believe this? Oh my goodness, how to speak English in real life conversation like an native speaker. So don't waste your time, please, watching my this kind of content, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So don't waste your time, please, watching my this kind of content. Number one is building the foundation. Day 1 to day 7, like vocabulary, like saying and like simple sentences, like learn 10 new words, name, age, country, hobby, body. Example like this: hello, my name is Shishir. I'm 27 years old and I'm from Bangladesh. I live in Bangladesh. My hobby is reading book and practice. Repeat just 5 times with loud. And number two is getting and foiled phrases like lunch and phrase for getting and spoiled conversation like good morning, like how are you, like I'm fine, thank you, and you. And practice, use them with family friends because practice makes man perfect. So you must have practice. Number three is numbers and times, like learns number 1 to 50 and phrases about time, like it's 7 o'clock in the morning, my birthday is on 25 January, and like practice at the time throughout your day in English. Number 4 is daily routine words, like learn 10 words for daily activities, like I wake up at 6 a.m., I brush my teeth, and then I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Practice speak your full day in English loud. Number 5 is listening practice, like listen to a 5 minutes English video, like audio tips pause and repeat sentences aloud, like shadows with February. I usually worked morning and I used to walking in the morning. Or you repeat after me. I used to walking in the morning. That's why it's called my habit. And I used to morning exercise in 30 days. You can practice because practice makes man perfect. About this learning new things. Number 6 is simple question, like learn basic question and answer, like what is your name, My name is Shish. My name is Shishir. Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. And fact is, ask your friend family, what's your name? Where are you from? What do you live? What do you live in? How old are you? What class do you read in? Number 7 is review, and this is time for review in week. Repeat all vocabulary and sentences and record yourself, introducing yourself and speaking. 3 questions like compare pronunciation with native speaker. And day 1 to day 7 is completed, and now day 8 to 15 like start speaking simple sentences like pronunciation is speaking and short sentences like talking about your hobbies like I like reading books or I enjoy playing football. To speak for 1 minute about your hobbies. Number 9 is family and friends, like learn 10 new words about your family. Like my father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife, and I have 2 siblings, like, and I have two sister and me. And you can say my sister is a year younger than me, and he is now married and he has a son. Can you describe this kind of words? And number 10 is day 10 is shopping at food, learn new phrases like that. Shopping and food, like how much is this? And I would like to coffee or tea, please give me a cup of tea or coffee. And daily finish, describe places, like learn 3 words what words for places around you, like my school is near my house, my school is near my house, please repeat after me. And the park is beautiful and clean, the park is beautiful and clean. Day 12 is practice short conversation, like pair sentences together, like what do you like to eat, what do you like to eat? And I like to eat to drink some kind of coffee or water or rice or food. I can eat anything, doesn't matter. And like or you can say I like pizza and sandwiches. And number day 13 is pronunciation day, like practice 5 difficult words like throw, draw, thought, enough, and enough. Throw, draw, thought, enough. You can practice. Just repeat 10 times each words. And day 14 is review week 2. Oh my goodness, can you believe this? And this is very important. Like speak about yourself, family, and hobbies for 2 or 3 minutes, and record and listen to correct pronunciation. And week 3 is day 15 to 21. Think in English and longer sentences like daily life sentences. Talk about your day. Example: I wake up at 6 a.m. and then I brush my teeth and then I eat breakfast, and then I go to school at 8 a.m. with journey by bus. And this is called learning English speaking. And number 16 is talking about opinion, like I like watching movies because it's fun. I don't like rainy day because it's cold. Day 17 is asking and giving direction, like practice common phrase like excuse me, where is the nearest bank? Excuse me, can you say please where is the nearest bank? Or he answered you, go go straight and turn left at the traffic light. Go straight and turn left at the traffic light. This is called amazing practice for English speaking. Day 18 is using because and but. Make sentences using conjunction. Conjunction like because and but. This is called a conjunction. What is conjunction? What is conjunction? Do you know? Because but. It is called add what. That's why this is called a conjunction. Like I like coffees because its taste is good. Or you can say I want to go outside but it's raining. Day 19 is role play conversation, like order food in a restaurant. I would like a burger and a soda, please. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can pay by card because his service is available right now at our shop. That's why you can pay by card or by bank balance. Doesn't matter. The 20 is storytelling practice. This is called one of the greatest way to speak in English. Like talk about your last weekend. Like last weekend, I went to my friend's house and we played football and watched a movie. That's why you can practice. And day 21 is review with 3. Like speak for 3 or 5 minutes about your day and weekend. Like focus on fluency, not perfection. Week 4, like advance speaking and confidence, like day 22 to 13. And this is too much vital topics, and this is too much crucial topics about speaking English, because this part is must focus on fluency, linking word and necessarily. It's like learn 5 common phrases, but like wake up, look after, put on, turn off, give up. Like make sentences like I wake up at 6 a.m. Every day. Look after this son, look after his father. And turn up, please put on this box, please put on this box. And turn up, please turn off this. And give up, please give up this cream. It's called a practice. And day 23 is idioms and expression. 5 learn 5 common English idioms, like break the ice. I told the jokes to break the ice. This is called the starting time. And piece of cake. This was a piece of cake. 24, day number 24. Talking about your future plan. Like next year I want to learn coding, or next year I want to be one of the greatest English speaker in our country. Or you can say next year I want to be one of the greatest online marketer in our country. You can say anything. I will visit my grandparents during summer vacation. Day 2025. Day 25 is storytelling with details, like speak about an event in detail. Like yesterday I went to market. Yesterday I went to the market. I bought fruits and vegetables and snake. Then I meet my friend and we went to the park. Day 2026 is practice interview for school talk. Like tell me about yourself. Hello everyone, how are you? Come back to my channel. My name is Shish. I'm 27 years old. I love reading and learning English. You can say this type of answer. And day number 2, day 27 is pronunciation and accent practice. Like shadow when a TV speaker for 10 minutes. Watch the short video and repeat exactly how they speak. Day 28 is confidence building. Record a 3 or 5 minutes video speaking for, like talk about your hobbies, your family, school, or your favorite mobile. Day number 29 is speak for 5 minutes without stopping. Check for mistake in pronunciation, like grammar and fluency. This is called a speaking English journey, your 30 days. And I strongly believe that if you are this kind of post, that time you'll be able to speak in English in 24/7 days. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't prolong my this content because time is too short. Next time I can't within me short time. So don't waste your time, because time is very valuable for us and me. This is time for say bye. See you soon another effective content. Bye bye.